17 worst motorcycles that no one buys, according to Consumer Reports. When it comes to motorcycles, riders expect speed, performance, and reliability. But some bikes on the market are more trouble than they're worth. In today's video, we're counting down the 17 worst motorcycles that no one buys, according to Consumer Reports. These bikes may look cool or offer exciting features, but their poor build quality, frequent breakdowns, and sky-high repair costs make them some of the worst-rated motorcycles in the industry. Stick around because the number one motorcycle on this list has such a terrible reputation. Even motorcycle experts warn against buying it. Number 17. Suzuki Boulevard C50. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 aims to be a classic cruiser with a budget-friendly price, but its outdated design and frequent engine stalling have turned potential buyers away. Riders report clunky gear shifts, excessive vibrations, and rust issues even with proper maintenance. The lack of modern safety features like ABS and poor suspension quality make this cruiser uncomfortable for long rides. Number 16. KTM 790 Duke. Marketed as the scalpel for its sharp handling, the KTM 790 Duke falls short due to frequent engine oil leaks and unreliable electronics. Riders often experience fuel injection issues, cooling system malfunctions, and faulty dashboard displays. While its aggressive design is eye-catching, its short service intervals and expensive parts turn this bike into a maintenance nightmare. Number 15. Yamaha Star Bolt R-Spec. The Yamaha Star Bolt R-Spec tries to blend modern styling with retro appeal, but its weak engine performance and cheap materials hold it back. Riders complain about overheating problems, electrical failures, and worn-out suspension components after just a few thousand miles. Its low ground clearance and awkward riding position also make it uncomfortable for daily use. Number 14. Royal Enfield Himalayan. Adventure enthusiasts were excited about the Royal Enfield Himalayan, but frequent recalls and build quality issues crushed its popularity. Owners report engine knocking, broken wiring, and fragile suspension parts that fail even on moderate off-road terrain. Despite its affordable price, the bike's long list of repairs and limited dealer network have scared away serious adventure riders. Number 13. Suzuki GSX S750. The Suzuki GSX S750 is a middleweight naked sport bike that promises thrilling performance at a competitive price. On paper, its specs are impressive, with a 749 cubic centimetre inline-4 engine, aggressive styling, and a sporty suspension setup. However, in the real world, the bike's performance and reliability issues have left many riders disappointed. One of the most common complaints is its jerky throttle response, especially in low-speed riding. The bike's fuel mapping feels unrefined, making city commutes uncomfortable and unpredictable. This issue not only frustrates riders, but also impacts fuel efficiency, making the GSX-S 751 of the more gas-guzzling bikes in its class. Adding to the frustration are its fragile body panels and cheap plastics, which crack easily even after minor falls or bumps. Riders have also reported transmission problems, including gear slipping and hard shifts, leading to frequent and costly visits to the repair shop. The bike's engine sensors are another weak spot, with malfunctions triggering the dreaded check engine light far too often. What makes these issues even harder to ignore is the presence of better alternatives on the market. Competitors like the Kawasaki Z900 not only offer superior engine performance, but also boast better build quality and long-term reliability. While the Suzuki GSX S750 may look like a good deal initially, its maintenance costs, frequent breakdowns, and subpar build quality make it a bike that's hard to recommend. For those seeking a dependable and powerful naked bike, there are better options that deliver a smoother ride and greater long-term value. Number 12. CF Moto 650 NK. The CF Moto 650 NK is an affordable naked bike with aggressive styling, but its questionable reliability and engine stalling problems have turned off many buyers. Riders frequently mention engine overheating, weak brakes, and cheap plastics that wear out quickly. While the bike's price is tempting, its low resale value and constant maintenance aren't worth the hassle. Number 11. Moto Guzzi V7 III. The Moto Guzzi V7 III promises an old-school riding experience, but suffers from frequent electrical issues, oil leaks, and brake failures. Its fragile gearbox and clunky transmission frustrate even experienced riders. Adding insult to injury, replacement parts are hard to find and expensive, making this retro-inspired motorcycle a risky investment. Number 10. Ducati Diavel 1260S. The Ducati Diavel 1260S is a high-performance cruiser that comes with an equally high level of maintenance trouble. Riders frequently report engine overheating, leaking coolant, and unstable ride quality. Its complex electronic system is prone to glitches, requiring expensive diagnostic tools to fix even minor issues. While it looks stunning, the high cost of ownership has driven potential buyers toward more reliable alternatives. Number 9. Kawasaki Versys 650. The Kawasaki Versys 650 is marketed as a versatile touring bike, but its overly complex electronics, recurring engine problems, and poor wind protection make it a tough sell. Vibrating handlebars, faulty ABS modules, and fuel pump failures often leave owners stranded. Even with its relatively affordable price, frequent recalls and expensive service costs have tarnished its reputation. Number 8. Aprilia Tuono 660. The Aprilia Tuono 660 promises high-end performance at a lower price, but frequent engine stalling, electronic malfunctions, and poor customer support have caused many riders to stay away. Its advanced ride modes and Bluetooth connectivity sound appealing until you face persistent software glitches. Riders also report uncomfortable seats and fragile plastics that make the bike feel cheap despite its premium branding. Number 7. Indian Scout Bobber 60. The Indian Scout Bobber 60 is often criticised for poor handling, weak suspension, and lack of rider comfort. Its heating problems, frequent clutch failures, and worn-out brakes cause frustration among owners. The high cost of repairs and low fuel economy make this bobber-style motorcycle a regrettable purchase for many cruiser fans. Number 6. CF Moto 700 CLX Sport. The CF Moto 700 CLX Sport is marketed as a modern cafe racer, but struggles with engine durability issues, weak brakes, and cheap materials. Frequent complaints include cracked fairings, oil leaks, and fuel system failures. While its price is tempting, its high depreciation rate and questionable reliability make it one to avoid. Before we reveal the final 5 motorcycles on our list, let's take a moment to talk about some must-have motorcycle gadgets that can enhance your riding experience and keep you safe on the road. First up is the Cardo Packtalk Bold, considered the best helmet communication system for clear and seamless group rides. Its high-quality sound and long-range connectivity ensure you stay in touch with fellow riders no matter where your journey takes you. For navigation, the TomTom Rider 550 is the ultimate GPS for motorcycles, offering real-time route updates and weather alerts so you'll never lose track of your next adventure. Meanwhile, a tyre inflator and pressure monitor like the Moto Pump Mini Pro can be a lifesaver, keeping your tyres properly inflated and preventing you from getting stranded with a flat tyre. Lastly, for those who want to capture every epic moment, the GoPro Hero 12 is the ultimate action camera. Its stunning 4K video quality, rugged build, and image stabilization make it perfect for recording your best rides and sharing your adventures with the world. Investing in these essential motorcycle gadgets will elevate your riding experience and help you avoid the kind of troubles caused by the bikes we've been talking about. Number 5. BMW S1000 XR. The BMW S1000 XR is marketed as a premium adventure touring bike, combining sport bike performance with long-distance touring comfort. On paper, it sounds like the perfect motorcycle for riders looking to conquer winding mountain roads and open highways. However, in reality, it comes with a long list of technical problems that make ownership far less exciting. Riders frequently report gearbox failures, particularly with the bike slipping out of gears or experiencing harsh shifting, especially when under heavy load. The clutch mechanism has also been a recurring issue, with owners facing premature clutch wear that can lead to expensive repairs. Additionally, fuel injection system failures have left some riders stranded on long tours, turning what should be an epic adventure into a mechanical nightmare. What makes these issues even worse is the bike's high purchase price, starting at over $17,000, and its expensive maintenance costs. Regular servicing at authorised BMW dealers can burn a hole in your wallet, with repairs often involving costly OEM parts and specialised diagnostic tools. Despite its powerful 165 horsepower engine, dynamic suspension, and aggressive design, the BMW S1000XR's reliability issues overshadow its performance potential. For adventure riders seeking long-term dependability and lower maintenance costs, more reliable alternatives like the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT or KTM 1290 Super Adventure offer better value without the constant headache of mechanical failures. Choose wisely, because the S1000XR might turn your dream adventure into an expensive pit stop. Number 4. Triumph Rocket 3 GT. The Triumph Rocket 3 GT is a beast of a motorcycle with a 2,500cc engine, but frequent oil leaks, electronic failures, and hard-to-find parts make ownership a hassle. Riders also mention uncomfortable seats and poor heat management, making long rides difficult despite its touring label. Number 3. MV Agusta Brutale 800. The MV Agusta Brutale 800 may look like a work of art, but its unreliable electronics, stiff suspension, and high maintenance costs have scared off many buyers. Fuel injector failures, cooling system leaks, and engine overheating are common complaints, making this bike better suited for collectors than daily riders. Number 2. Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT. The Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT is marketed as a rugged adventure bike, but its unreliable electronics, weak build quality, and expensive repair costs have earned it a spot near the top of this list. Riders report frequent dashboard malfunctions, faulty ABS sensors, and overheating issues during long rides. Despite its appealing design, its stiff suspension and unstable handling on off-road terrain make it less capable than its competitors like the Yamaha Tenere 700. The hefty price tag only makes its issues harder to swallow, leaving adventure enthusiasts frustrated and disappointed. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10 RSE. Topping our list is the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10 RSE, a high-performance sport bike that promises speed but fails in reliability. Priced at nearly $21,000, riders expect premium build quality and race-ready performance, but instead face frequent engine failures, quick-wearing transmissions, and unreliable electronics. Dashboard malfunctions, software glitches, and frequent recalls for its engine control unit, ECU, have plagued this model since its release. The bike's advanced suspension system, while designed for track use, often malfunctions, leading to uneven handling on rougher roads. Riders report poor heat management, with the engine frequently overheating during aggressive riding. For a premium sport bike in this price range, riders expect more durability and fewer breakdowns. Unfortunately, the Ninja ZX-10 RSE has left many performance riders regretting their purchase. And there you have it, the 17 worst motorcycles that no one buys according to Consumer Reports. While some of these bikes might seem tempting due to high-performance specs or stylish designs, they come with a hidden cost of frequent breakdowns, high repair bills, and frustrating recalls. Pro tip: if you're shopping for a new motorcycle, make sure to read reviews, check recall histories, and consult experienced riders before making a decision. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert motorcycle reviews, tips, and gear recommendations. Stay safe, ride smart, and choose wisely.